You are back on the show that puts the art to your mornings, Tiger Rush. Ismo, how do you usually cope with stress in that matter?
Kung kunwari may work po na nabigay, I really try to make time for it po. Para hindi na po siya nagpapatong-patong. And in a sense, parang hindi na din po ako ma-overwhelm. So, kumbaga, action na lang po kaagad.
How do traditional Christmas celebrations like cooking and eating together influence our mental being?
Going home, parang kailangan ko ng break from everything. Tapos, parang na-recharge ka. And being with your family, like doing mundane things, it will, kumbaga, uplift your spirit.
So, sa family niyo ba, meron bang specific tradition na ginagawa niyo before or right after Noche Buena that you personally treasure?
So it's gift giving. It's not really about yung material object na binibigay nila sa'yo, but it's about yung effort na naisip ka nila na this reminded them of you. So yun yung talagang nilolook forward ko.